say they could be exposing you to a significant amount of unnecessary radiation.
Words of comfort as 56-year-old Sherry Ludio prepares to get a CT scan. She's had several since she was diagnosed with a rare and aggressive form of breast cancer.
I feel that these tests are important. For me, it's a precautionary measure. They are investigative. But, everybody has to make that choice themselves.
Unless they're medically necessary, like they are for Sherry, some experts say you definitely should avoid CT scans.
There is some increased risk, however small, from every x-ray that you get.
A new study in the Journal of the American Medical Association looked at 64-slice CT scanners, used mainly in cardiology. The 64-slice scanner gives doctors detailed pictures of the heart and arteries. The more detailed the picture is, the more radiation is delivered.
According to the study, if you're a woman, your risk of getting cancer in your lifetime is 1 in 114 from a single CT coronary angiogram. So why are women and children more at risk?
One of the reasons has to do with particularly the women's breasts are physiologically active throughout their menstrual cycle, and they are exposed to radiation.
The head of CT imaging at City of Hope says radiologists have known for years how CT scans affect children.
They're still developing, they're still growing, and their tissues are then more susceptible to the adverse effects of radiation.
The risk decreases with age. So what should you do the next time a doctor recommends a scan?
I think you can express to the technologists that you are concerned about radiation, and if they could do whatever they can to minimize the radiation dose.
Radiation doses depend on the size and shape of the patient, but many technicians are instructed to deliver as low a dose as possible without compromising the pictures.
Dr. Rotter says if your doctor recommends a CT scan, there's usually a good reason. Studies show a 10 millisievert exposure increases your risk of getting cancer by 0.5%. Some scans can be delivered with as little as 2 millisieverts. It is to your ABC7 Eyewitness News.
All right, we're going to take a look at the